Meet Jemima, a social prescriber in Birmingham. A patient will be referred to a social prescriber by a health professional, such as a GP or practice nurse, to improve their well-being. Social prescribers like Jemima work with patients to identify what matters most to them, and together they develop a personalised care and support plan, which includes well-being goals. With those goals in mind, instead of prescribing medication, a social prescriber will connect the patient with the right support from the right service, such as the NHS, community groups, charities, and the local council. Jemima works with patients like Paul. He was referred to Jemima by his GP after undergoing life-changing radiotherapy and surgery to treat throat cancer. The treatment meant Paul lost his voice box and needed an electrolarynx, a battery-operated device that would allow him to speak. When Jemima and Paul met, Paul explained what would improve his well-being. He had 3 concerns. 1. After losing his voice box, Paul struggled to communicate over the phone, preferring to see the person he was speaking to. 2. With the rising cost of living, he was worried about his energy bills. And 3. He was overwhelmed by how much medication he had received from hospital after his treatment. Taking it all on board, Jemima developed a personalised care and support plan with Paul, with goals to address each of his concerns. Afterwards, Jemima contacted voluntary and community groups, as well as teams that work with Birmingham City Council, finding the right support for Paul. To improve Paul's ability to communicate, she arranged for a local organisation to provide Paul with a tablet, allowing him to speak to healthcare staff, as well as friends and family via video calls. To address Paul's worries about his bills, she set up a meeting between Paul and a local charity who offered cost of living support. And, to help Paul with his medication, she arranged for Paul and his GP to go through his medication together. With all his concerns covered, Paul was discharged from Jemima's care feeling better equipped, supported, and empowered.